How to get promo code for Uber Eats. In this video, I will show you how can you easily find promo codes that you can use in Uber Eats application to get a discount. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open Google application in your device and in the search bar, search for Uber Eats promo code. Once you write Uber Eats promo code, hit the search icon. Then you will see a lot of websites providing you free offer that you can use to get a discount in Uber Eats. So simply click on any one of the website. After that, you will see list of offers that you have to choose between to get a good offer in Uber Eats. Once you choose the particular offer which you want, simply click on it and then you will see a code. Beside it, you will see the option of copy. Simply copy that code, or you can also choose the option to redeem at Uber Eats. Once you click on it, it will direct you to the official website of Uber Eats and there you can directly use that code which you just copied. So that's it. That is how easily you can get promo code for Uber Eats application. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.